here, he's flipping on Logic and Contact again. I love using retro synths for textures and for different wavetables you can change by using the table section. Logic also has great upright wood pianos. They sound really dope for textures and for samples like this. Picked acoustic from Native Instruments. It is definitely a sleeper hit. Also, it's awesome to use the Q sampler. I loaded up a Geometry Audio one shot and made my own little synth pad from this.